Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Creation. So dear friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Ameen. So my dear lovely friends and my beautiful viewers, today video is very great designing ideas, and today I'm showing all her trendy and gorgeous collection of most stylish crochet summer top designs. So dear friends, I must suggest you watch this video till the end. You will find in all trendy ideas in our videos, so you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. And you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. So if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So dear, this video will be very helpful for you, and if you are new on my channel, so you make sure subscribe, like and share, and thanks for watching my videos from my channel. So you can get ideas, take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and new latest trendy and marvelous ideas. So friends, we will be right back. Bye bye.